Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to do another brisket outside on the pit boss. Last time didn't work out so well for me. Hopefully this time goes better. I got a 12¼ pound brisket. I'm going to get it seasoned up. We'll take a look at that in a second. Before we do that, hit the subscribe if you're new to this channel. We got some good stuff going on. Hopefully you can stick around and see what we got. Let's get into this, see what we're doing. Yeah, there we go. 12¼ pound brisket. Like I said. Gonna get it seasoned up. Gonna use this Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, or what's this here sauce, however you want to say it, as a binder. Just gonna sprinkle it over. I've trimmed this up as much as I like already, so I'm happy with it now. You just want to rub the sauce over it just as a binder. Adds a nice little flavor to the meat as well, that I like. Maybe not everyone will be inclined with it, but to each their own. We're just going to hit it with SPG. That's all we're using today. That's pretty much all I ever use. Most of the time, just straight salt and pepper. I have SPG made up from the last time, so I'll use that today. Be generous on your coating of rub, as the brisket can actually take it, so don't be shy putting it on. Just remember, you're always in control of the rub. Put as much or as little as you want. Ready. Get this turned over. This is how you rub it down. I know you've seen it before, probably hundreds of times from other people. You've seen it from me before, once or twice, and the third time. Just hit it with the sauce. SPG. That's it. That's all you do. Hit the edge. Just keep in mind with one thing. This is backyard barbecue, not competition. So it's only my family going to be eating it. I'm not trying to impress any judges to win money. The only judges I got to impress are the little ones in the house and the wife. As long as they're impressed, that's a win for me. That's it. That's how you season it up. Just like that. Well, we'll pick back up outside on the pit boss when it's up to 10, and we're ready to put this on. And I'll show you my setup this time. I'm going to be doing it different from the last time. See you outside. All right, here we go. Pit boss is up and running. Got a full load of pellets. See? I got it set at 250. Right there. The temp's just starting to come up. I'll put it up quickly and show you my setup inside. We got a water pan in the front. We got the top cooking rack, which is where the brisket's actually going to go this time. Back there I got my smoker tube with hickory pellets, so that's going to give us some good smoke flavor. You guys can see that. There you go. Give it a few minutes and we'll get the brisket on. We'll pick back up when we're ready to put the brisket on. Okay, let's get this brisket on. We're sitting at 255 on the top grate right now. I put my smoke now to monitor it. It's got up to 265, so it fluctuates a little bit. The pit itself is reading 230. And we'll see what happens from there. GoPro. I'm going to put it in the center here. Just like that. And we'll pick back up in a little bit once we get going at it, and I'll show you how it's going. And I don't think I'm going to bore you guys with spritzing it all the time. I'll probably just be spritzing it with water if I'm going to spritz it. We'll see how that goes. We'll pick back up. Okay, just a quick update that I had forgotten. Showed this on the last time. Don't forget, we just had the lid open to put the brisket on. I'm going to open it one more time. I have relocated my smoke tube to come this way. Moved my water pan over here. Brisket was on. As you can see, we've gone fat cap down again instead of fat cap up. So, okay, we're just a couple minutes over an hour right now. Let's see what we're looking at here. Sorry for the wind, if you can hear the wind. It's a bit windy today. We're 2:30. It's just right now going on the down cycle. It'll start feeding pellets again to go back up. We're showing 2:30 over here right now. Let's take a look, see what the brisket's looking like. Well, not too bad after 1 hour. Well, we're not going to be spritzing it right now. Let's close this back up, let it do its thing. I'm not going to bore you guys with spritzing. I might pick back up again in a couple hours now. Just let it go and show you what we're looking at. See you then. All right, we're 4.5 hours in now. Let's take a look and see what we got going on. Very nice. Coming along good. I think I'm going to remove the water pan now. I don't feel a real big need for it at the moment. So I'll probably pull that out. And I'm still debating if I'm going to wrap or not. We're sitting right now at 141 internal. So we'll pick back up and I'll show you what I'm doing if I decide to wrap it or not. Okay, we're 6.5 hours in. Here's what we're looking at. That's still running pretty good. 143 internal. We've been sitting in around the 141 to now for about an hour, maybe a little bit over an hour. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it now. Here's what we're looking at. I've added some baked potato and some corn on there as well now. So I'm going to pull this off, get it wrapped and back out there. We'll pick back up after. Okay, we're going to go ahead and wrap it. Water, that's what I've been spritzing with. I'm just going to give it a quick little spritz with some water. And then we're going to get it wrapped up as best as we can. I love that foil noise. we go. I'm gonna wrap it one more time around this way, just to make sure it's sealed up very good. And we'll pick back up when I put it outside on the pit. See you there. Okay, I've rearranged everything now, and I've put it back on the pit. As you can see, I just put the meat probe back in it. Drop down to 140 from 143. So I'm gonna let it go there. Once it hits about 198, I'll open her up and start probing it for tenderness. We'll see how it is. And then I'll probably just leave it open from there, just to get a little bit of that bark buildup back on it again. So we'll pick back up in a bit. See you then. Okay, we hit our internal of 198. It's been a total of 10 hours right now. I've gone ahead and I've unwrapped it maybe 2 minutes ago. I'm just gonna probe it still until I get the tenderness that I want, which we're slowly getting at, and we'll go from there. It's still got a little bit of resistance in the flat, but we'll let it go. I've unwrapped it like this just so I can start building that bark back up again. By the time the bark builds up, this should be done. We'll pick back up in a few minutes or whatever. See you guys then. Okay, so I just recently pulled it off the grill. I was on the phone, that's why I couldn't shoot me pulling it off. It's probing tender enough that I like. I've gone ahead and just wrapped it in foil. It's not tightly wrapped. It might look like it is, but it's not. There's the jus that I got from this as well. I've already used my fat separator and took all the fat out of it. So now I'm just gonna let this sit in the oven while the oven is off, just the rest, and we'll pick back up when we're ready to slice into it. Okay, now that we've rested for a couple hours, it's about time we slice into this. Let's slice into it. Ooh, nice smoke ring. Very nice smoke ring on it. Let's see. There's the bend. Bend. See the smoke ring? Nice. See the pull? Nice pull on it. Very nice. Well, let's get you guys up for a taste. There we go, time for a taste. There's the piece. Nice smoke ring on it, as you can see. This one definitely turned out better than the last one. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it helps you out for a different style setup to cook a brisket out on the Pit Boss. Hit the subscribe if you haven't. See you guys all in the next one. Bye.